Gadsden is still a growing city, and when we opened Scoop du Jour, we knew the people would open their hearts to us, and we wanted to offer the community something new.
Opening during the pandemic was not a plan, but we still have to figure out a way to do it safely and still bring customers. Our number one goal is to make our customer happy. At Scoop du Jour, we make our own waffle cone, different flavor, chocolate, regular, strawberry, and blueberry. We have over 24 flavors, including our special create your own ice cream that we offer during the weekend. We would like to hear our customer suggestions on any new flavors. There is more work to be done, but we're very excited to reach out to even more people.
And we hope you come and visit us at Scoop du Jour. Come by and grab a scoop or two with your friends and family. At Scoop du Jour, we'd like to give you a chance to relax and enjoy our many different flavors and desserts.
Come and visit us in the heart of downtown Gadsden. Bring your friends and family on the weekend to try our create your own ice cream and make your own custom creation.
Or try your favorite ice cream in our homemade waffle cones. We can't wait to see you
at Scoop du Jour.
In the heart of downtown Gadsden, come and enjoy the best ice cream in the county.
Check out our 24 flavor, including our banana pudding, cookies and brownie, and many more. Come and see us at Scoop du Jour.